U.S. venture capital funding rose in the second quarter to a record $23 billion, with San Francisco startups leading the way in number of deals. San Francisco-based Lyft received the biggest round of funding for the quarter, $600 million from Fidelity Ventures, according to the Money Tree report released by PricewaterhouseCoopers and CB Insights on Thursday. Then Fusion, announced in June, raised the ride-hailing company's valuation to $15.1 billion. A total of 271 San Francisco startups received $5.6 billion in the quarter. The number of deals there grew from 260 in the first quarter, but the amount invested declined nearly 14% from $6.5 billion in that quarter. The South Bay, which the Money Tree report refers to as Silicon Valley, was no. 3 on the list of top regions for venture funding, with 166 deals totaling $3.9 billion. That amount was flat from the first quarter, while the number of deals dropped from 170 deals in that quarter. There were 1,416 deals in the United States in the second quarter, up from 1,297 deals in the previous quarter. Robinhood, based in Palo Alto, received $363 million in a round led by Capital Kleiner Perkins Cofield. 3 on the list of top recipients of funding. Get tech news in your inbox weekday mornings. Sign up for the free Good Morning Silicon Valley newsletter. Bay Area startups topped the list of mega deals, funding rounds worth $100 million or more, of which there were 45 in the second quarter. They include Opendoor Labs, the San Francisco startup that enables online home buying, which was number 4 on the overall list of amount of funding received. It received $325 million from General Atlantic, GGV Capital and New Enterprise Associates. TradeShift, a San Francisco-based provider of business commerce services, received $250 million from HSBC and Public Sector Pension Investment Board. CrowdStrike, the Sunnyvale artificial intelligence, cybersecurity startup, received $200 million from Excel Capital and General Atlantic. Investments in artificial intelligence and fintech startups rose, with the former seeing its biggest funding round ever at more than $1.8 billion, and the latter seeing a 40% rise in funding, to $3 billion. Cybersecurity companies saw an increase in investments in the second quarter after 3 straight quarters of declines.